Okay, I'm recovering the refrigerant. We couldn't find the specifications. There's no labels. Found an online RV place that says this has 53 ounces in it. I'm pulling out the refrigerant. Now you see all this water? You go, oh, it's condensating really good, so it must be good. But only 59 degrees is coming out of the dash. What else I also found was a heating problem. This cable right there, the heating cable, was disconnected and the heating valve was a little bit in the middle, so it was bleeding by some heater core, and as the engine temperature rose, so did the dash temperature. It went from 59 degrees and it went up to 76 degrees and it was climbing. So that was telling me the heater core was passing. So I came back here and inspected a little more. Found out it wasn't a vacuum system like this for the fresh air door, that it was a mechanical line right there. And what I did was, when this is in operation, I have it on recycle mode, but the vacuum motor is not working. So because it's under vacuum, look how wet that got. I just put it right here like this, and it sucks in and it seals off this hot air that's coming from the engine rolling around, and I seal off this, and then it gets colder out of the dash when I seal this off. He's going to Burning Man in this one, so he has 2 RVs. The other one has some problems too, but I got it working. So I told him if he goes to Burning Man and if he doesn't fix this, clean this off with some alcohol or acetone, go get the high temperature aluminum tape and just seal, see that opening right there? Seal that opening off and totally close it off, because when you go on the off roads in that fine dust, if any of you know about Burning Man, there's a lot of fine talcum powder type dust. So you completely seal this off so it doesn't get sucked up into your evaporator, because your evaporator will be wet, you have that fine talcum powder, and you make mud. All right, we'll come back to this one after I'm finished recovering it and finding out. I got 6 ounces out of it right now, and as I'm draining it down, the what's the name of that thing? Come on, Alzheimer's kicking in here. We have the receiver dryer. The receiver dryer is not getting cold, even though I'm pulling the refrigerant down and out. So that means, that's telling me right now that I know this system is low on refrigerant, because usually once I lower the pressure on the system, on the refrigerant, even though it was cold enough to make all this water and come out 59 degrees, this liquid is not pulling down and chilling and making ice on the bottom as if it was a full system. If I did this to a full system, this would all turn icy. All right, be back.